Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Madison Paige, if you're new here. I thought tonight we would do a fall evening in the life little nighttime routine. This is so sad. We just got a puppy. Look at that. He's so cute and he's so soft and he's so tiny, but we literally had him for about 24 hours. Then we had to take him to the vet because he was getting sick, and long story short, he has to stay at the vet. We're hoping that he gets to come home in the next couple days, but yeah, originally he was gonna have a puppy, but now we can't have the puppy, which is just so sad. And it's crazy how little we've known the dog and how much he already means to us. Like Spencer and I both have just been feeling so down in the dumps since he has had to be at the vet, obviously, because his health is of concern right now, but he is trending upwards. He's getting all of the help that he needs. They're taking great care of him and their communication is amazing. Like, I feel like I am getting thorough updates, which I really appreciate, and I know you don't always get that, so that's a good thing. But yeah, it is 5:56 now. I just finished my last Made for More one-on-one coaching call of the week. If you guys missed it, I launched one-on-one mindset coaching and we're just wrapping up the first week. It was amazing. I'm so excited. It's going so well. So we did that, but now Spencer and I are gonna head out and run a couple errands that I'm gonna bring you guys with. We decided we're not gonna go to HomeSense. Honestly, I feel like both of us just don't really have the energy for it. Is that your tummy? And we've been pretty sad about Benny. Yeah. The energy in the house has been very low. I would say since all of this has kind of happened, we're both just very much still trying to like go about life and get all of our things done that we have to do, and just hopeful that today's finally the day that he can come home. And also just kind of giving ourselves grace. Do I feel like going to HomeSense right now? Not really. But we're gonna go on a little mental health walk out and about in the neighborhood, and then we'll come inside and we'll kickstart the whole nighttime routine, because that is good for the mind and the body and probably the soul. We definitely want an early wind down because I have not been sleeping well prior to getting the puppy, the first couple nights with the puppy, and then since all of this has happened. So let's go on a little WALK. I am wearing my new Dairy Boy quarter zip fleece, which I absolutely love it. I do wish I got another color as well, because the pink, she screams into your face. I love wearing color, but color's more noticeable when you wear it back to back so often. You know what I mean? Whereas black, you kind of blend in more. So I kind of wish I got more of a neutral color one as well, but I do love the pink. I am obsessed. And then I'm still just wearing my jeans because I couldn't be bothered to change. Let's walk down to the lake.
There's no one in the hot tub.
Are you going in it?
Yeah?
It's vacant.
I should have on my shorts.
Walk to the lake first. Spencer and I just moved here. Well, you guys saw our moving vlog. We've been here for what, 6 weeks now? And yeah, it's actually like a little gated community. And yeah, look at this. I'll actually show you. It has this whole pool, hot tub area. Like, that is gorgeous. We love that. Spencer's like a huge hot tub person. So I think that was the selling point. Oh, I love fall. Look at these trees. So beautiful. So Spencer and I were going to move to Arizona this month actually, but
Oh yeah, we would have left like a couple days ago.
yeah, but we decided not to, just because, well, first of all, the dollar, and just, I don't know, whatever, a bunch of accumulated reasons. So we decided to stay in Kelowna instead. But this area that we moved into, it seems like it's from Arizona. Like, it has golf carts everywhere, there's a pool, all the different things. So it's kind of the most perfect compromise. And then of course we're close to all of our family and our friends. Like, isn't this picture perfect? Perfect. You're bigger than a spider.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is beautiful. Next summer, Benny can come here.
I know. And we can play in the sand.
We can play in the sand.
I know.
So
And go in the water.
we should come down here and have morning coffee in the summer.
I know.
So nice. Nothing makes me feel slower than walking in shoes in sand. You know what I mean? It's like weirdly a lot of work. Mr. Zen.
Okay, back home from our walk, we're gonna start making dinner. We're gonna cook steaks, asparagus, and rice. I will start by putting the rice on, and then Spencer's gonna cook the steaks. That's a blue job. You wanna keep watching Gilmore Girls?
Come on.
I'm kinda getting hooked into this again. So a new thing I've been incorporating back into my diet now that I'm really focusing on hormones and gut, bone broth. I can heat up about a cup of it just to sip on while we make dinner. And I love when you get to that point in your fitness journey or whatever, where you crave the thing that you tried to implement before. It's like the most rewarding feeling. So I'm gonna heat up a little bit of this to nourish the gut. I absolutely downed that bone broth, but now I'm in the mood for a Zevia, but we're gonna treat ourselves to Zevia in a wine glass. Let me show you my cool cupboard organization. I got these for optimizing space, and then we got these wine glass hanger holder things, which are amazing, and also just keep good care of the glassware. It's too bad I still can't reach. Do you want a Zev? The Zevia session has, ow, fudgicles. Ow, I'm stuck. I hurt my finger. That was perfect. That was a perfect pour. Spencer's upset with how his steaks turned out, but I think they still look good. We don't have a barbecue yet.
It's like cast.
Apparently they look like camp steak, which based on what I've heard is not a good thing, but whatever. I'm not picky. I am gonna add some cottage cheese and then Frank's fine. Do you want cottage cheese? Get that extra proteiny. Okay, you guys, dinner is served. I'm so excited to eat this. And then I have my Zevia. I am gonna go eat on the couch because we don't have dining room chairs. And I want to. I don't have to explain myself, do I? Other than it's white, and the moment something falls on it, I will be pissed. I'm now just putting away the leftovers. We are waiting on a call from the vet like any minute now for an update on Benny. So until we get the call, I'm just gonna resume my evening routine, starting with putting all of the leftovers into the fridge. I love like intentionally making extra, so then for lunch tomorrow, it's just really quick and easy. I'm now just gonna have a shower, which I actually have a shower every single night just to, one, rinse, but also wind down. I just find a warm shower, like nothing puts me in more of like a sleepy mood. This nighttime routine is actually something I've been working on with my dietitian to basically promote relaxation and eventually a deeper, better quality sleep. So we start dinner, clean up, and then have a nice warm shower to get all clean and relaxed for the rest of the night. So the wind down is officially starting now. The vet just texted me a photo of Benny. That's such a sad photo. He's so soft. Ugh, I feel sad. I feel really sad. Supplement time. I did just make my peppermint tea. Spearmint tea is best for hormones, but I'm all out, so I did peppermint, caffeine free of course, and then I added some Calm, which is magnesium powder, to help me sleep. I'm also going to have a serving of this Emergency. I'm battling a bit of a cold. I have been since I pretty much finished the marathon, so I just have one of these and hopefully help me get over this sickness. Fun fact about me, I hate the flavor orange in anything and everything. I've also never eaten an orange in my entire life, and I never will. Something about them have always grossed me out. The smell, the juice, the look, everything. Like, I was that kid during soccer that my mom had to bring me my own separate watermelon because I was like the oranges and all the kids just like, it was just, it made me want to gag from a very young age, and I've just never grown out of it, and I really don't think I ever will. So the typical flavor for the Emergency is orange. I will never drink it over my dead body. So I have to get the lime, which I know lime is citrus too, but for something, I don't know, it's not as gross to me. Anyways, as for the rest of my supplements, I haven't taken my myo-inositol and D-Chiro yet today. This is supposed to help with my insulin resistance, which is a symptom of my PCOS. So I take 4 capsules of these once a day. I just forgot to take them this morning, so I'm gonna take them now. And then I'm also going to take a zinc. We are in our hormone healing era, people, okay? And then an adrenal support because, anyways, I am someone, I think I'm, like Spencer says, he thinks I'm addicted to stress and chaos because I just somehow am always creating stressful, chaotic situations for myself. So of course I'm on an adrenal support, you know? Okay, it's only 8:45. I'm gonna go get into bed. I do like to watch a show before bed. So I usually either finish the episode I'm on or I watch a new episode, and then I read for at least 50 minutes, no screens, because I want that optimal, restful sleep. I'm all about the sleep score with the Ultra Human. I geek out over that stuff, so I do everything in my power to like wind down and then sleep like a rock. Quick that Calm knocks me out because I'm like falling asleep. Cheers to as much REM as we can get. Also, I am a huge tongue scraper cleaner, so I will not invite you to this because it is disgusting, but it is so good for your oral hygiene. If you're not tongue scraping, you probably should because it's disgusting when you see the shit that comes off of your tongue. Most nights I like to sleep with some sort of hydrating mask on my skin after I do my evening skincare, just to really lock in the hydration. and this Medicube brand. My two favorite skincare brands of the year, I'd say, have been Curology, just because they offered personalized prescription-based formulas from a dermatology provider based on your needs. And then also Medicube is my favorite Korean skincare brand. Their collagen products are so good, like the radiance. Like I'm gonna wake up tomorrow looking like a glowing, shining shooting star. And then I'm just gonna spray this antibacterial spray over top because it feels nice. And then we have to brush my hair. My hair is in such rough condition right now because all of the tight hairstyles of marathon training. So I'm really trying to just let it be. I did a whole moisture mask yesterday, but there we go. Sleep with my hair down. And there we go. Anyways, that kind of concludes my nighttime routine, my current fall nighttime routine. The vet ended up calling us and giving us a bit of an update. Essentially today, Benny has felt worse, but I think it's the virus just like moving through his body. So I'm really hoping that he's like from here, because now it's been about 3 days. Really hoping from here on up. It is up and he feels better. We even have his little toy. This is his little dinosaur Spencer picked out that it became like his favorite toy from the 2 days that we got him, but we have this in our bed. We just miss him so much. But anyways, hopefully tomorrow is followed up with some good news, and thank you so much for spending the night with me. Sorry it was kind of on like sad terms just with the whole Benny situation, but I do love being able to share with you guys like the ins and the outs of just everyday life, because at the end of the day we are all only human, just trying our best. So I appreciate you guys being here. That is all for now. Sweet dreams. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!